So hello guys, you're viewing King Tech. So today we are going to unbox Redmi 9 Active. Guys, this phone has an awesome features, so let's check out. MediaTek Hello G35 enhanced gaming processor card, 5000 mAh battery, 10 watts charger in box, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel AI rear camera, dot notch display, fingertip sensor, 3D curved black, 5 megapixel selfie camera, slash proof nano coating and more. Come on, let's unbox it. This is the phone. User guide. SIM ejector tool. Charger cable, charger, so let's just start the phone. The phone has booted. This is the home screen. Now we can see the camera. This is the camera quality of the Redmi 9 Active. Now the face camera. Now we will test the fingertip sensor speed. The phone has a good fingertip sensor speed. So the phone has MediaTek Hello G35, the RAM 4GB RAM storage 64 GB storage. So the phone has Android 10 with 5000 mAh battery hours. You can get it with ultra battery saving up to 80 hours. So this phone has 3 color options: carbon black, coral green, metallic purple, and the price is 9500. So did you like the phone? So like and subscribe guys. Your King Tech is signing out.